Oh, well, I tell you guys, it is nice to get out and stretch the legs and breathe some fresh air. I don't know if I made it clear in my last video, but self-isolation drives you a little bit batty. That was all in good fun, though. Oops, sorry about that. That was all in good fun, though. But yeah, just decided to come out today to the local state park near my apartment and do a little bit of bird photography, just a good way to stretch the legs, get the camera out, and play with my Tamron 150 to 600, which, I don't get to play with all that often. I use it occasionally for landscape photography, but its primary purpose is as a wildlife lens, as a bird and other wildlife lens. So, good excuse to break it out and give it a little bit of love. So, and just feels really good to get out and do some walking. At this point when I'm recording the video, Colorado itself is not under a stay-at-home advisory or executive order, whatever you want to call it. The governor did order a 50% workforce stay home for non-critical industries, non-critical businesses. Doing my part, keeping at least 6 feet away from folks, trying to anyway. Out here on the trails, giving people lots of room to get around me. And just, it feels so good to be out and stretching my legs and breathing the fresh air. It was getting a little, I was going a little stir crazy in my apartment. And you know what, guys, today is, at the time I'm recording this, it is March 24th. Today is my 30th birthday. I was born 30 years ago. That is a weird sensation and a weird thing to say. I don't feel like I'm 30. At least, mentally I still feel like I'm, in the prime. And my girlfriend was teasing me today that she can now call me old, and I can't deny it. Go ahead, Kimmy, call me old. But I don't feel it. Mentally, I still feel as young as I want to be. Oh, yeah, it is so nice to be out. And it's a gorgeous day, too, guys. Look at this. Let me adjust the polarizer here a little bit. Just look at that. Oop, the auto ISO kicked in. Sorry about that, guys. But you can see for a brief glimpse there. Gorgeous, gorgeous weather we've got out today. And I just had to get out and enjoy myself. And like I said, doing a little bird photography. Let me see if I can adjust this here a little bit. There we go. That's better. And we've had, let's say, moderate success. Helicopter. I live pretty close to Fort Carson. What is going on with this filter? There we go. I live pretty close to Fort Carson, and they're still doing drills, even with the pandemic going around. So, but anyway, yeah, I would say I've had moderate success today with the bird photography. I was hoping to see maybe some hawks or some ravens. And I did see 2 hawks, but they were way too far away for me to get an image. And just hiking around out here today, I have not seen any others, which I'm kind of bummed about because, they're not uncommon out here. But that's not too much of a disappointment. So yeah, I haven't had any luck with any of the big birds, raptors or crows or whatever. But I have had a little bit of success today with much smaller, like songbirds and more the bug eating and nut eating kind of birds and seed eating kind of birds. I started off the day with a couple of pictures of some towhees, and anybody who hasn't heard of a towhee, they're these little kind of orange and black with white specks on their feathers, and they love to jump around in the bushes and searching for bugs and for other things. And they've given me more than they've given me more than a little bit of a startle over the years when I've been hiking, because they'll jump through the bushes and you think something's coming at you. So, but they're very pretty, and they very interesting birds, because they jump around, and like I said, they jump around in the bushes and very active. So it's kind of interesting trying to get a shot of them. I didn't really have any success getting a shot of any of them in action today, but definitely got some decent shots there. And then let's see, what else did we photograph today? Photographed a couple other specimens that I really don't know the names of. A little bit of success with those birds, and then actually got a very nice photo of a butterfly of some kind. I'm not sure what the species is, or maybe I'm pretty sure it was a butterfly. Didn't look like a moth, too big to be a moth, but got a fantastic photo of it. Actually, a good manually focused image, because the autofocus was not hitting where I wanted it to. I have noticed on the long end, this Tamron 150 to 600 can misfocus, on top of being a little bit soft if it doesn't get good focus on an image, on a subject I should say. But managed to get a good manually focused image on this butterfly. So that makes me really excited. I got some really good light on this butterfly as well. So I'm excited to go back and process that image. And you guys will have already seen that image by the time by now, because I have already shot it. But, you know, decent success today, I think. Not a bad way to go out and spend my 30th birthday. Anyway, I think I am going to wrap up this video here and call it a day. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And yeah, just the usual spiel. Make sure you'll hit if you're not already, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit subscribe if you're not already. And make sure you hit the notification bell. I am working on, hang on a second. I've still got the camera out, so you never know. I could get another image on my way back to the car. But anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I am gonna start working on a series of Lightroom videos, you know, just basic, you know, how to maybe get into some more advanced techniques, but mostly I just want to give a good overview of Lightroom, because I do feel like a lot of the tutorials out there are a little outdated, especially with all the updates that Lightroom has done, or that Adobe has done to Lightroom in the past couple of years. And I feel like everybody could benefit from some updated videos, some updated tutorials. So anyway, be on the lookout for those. I will get them released as soon as I can. Not sure how many videos I'm going to have in that series, but I hope it will be instructional and informational for everybody. So with that, guys, I am going to wrap up this video. Take care of yourselves, stay healthy, look out for your friends and family, and until next time, I will see you out on the trail.